Kris Potter embodies the longevity and success of the Master Composter Recycler program, which dates back to the early 1990s. Clark County is a national leader on returning food scraps and other organic urban waste into the ground via lasagna compost gardening techniques. Kris helps Clark County reduce food and urban organic waste that would normally go into the landfill.
Over the years, I've done a lot of things. I served an AmeriCorps term with the Master Composter Recycler program in 2007 and 2008. And during that time, I developed the first lasagna gardening workshop and the first green cleaning workshop that we have presented to the public. I'm Kris Potter, and I'm a Master Composter Recycler volunteer. I've been a Master Composter Recycler since 2002. Being a Master Composter Recycling volunteer means that I am a compost ambassador, an environmental ambassador to the county. Here at my job at River HomeLink, I've set up the Trex Plastics Recycling Challenge, so I monitor that. We collect plastic bags and film and return that to the Trex company to be made into plastic lumber. We have recycling or composting bins in the staff rooms, so we collect our food scraps there and I take them out to our worm bench. Winning this award is really a great honor to me. To be selected as the outstanding Master Composter Recycler volunteer is very special.
Join the Master Composter Recycler community and receive training on how to become a sustainability ambassador and give back to the community. Sign up for one of our many free public workshops taught by Kris Potter and learn more about the Master Composter Recycler program at www.clarkcountycompost.org.